The holiday season is upon us and Christmas is right around the corner, which means some of you may be thinking of what you can give that blacksmith in your life for Christmas. Or maybe you are your favorite blacksmith and you're thinking of what you can drop for little hints and suggestions to some of your loved ones. So today I thought I would have a quick little blacksmith's buying guide for the holidays, but things that are probably within reason. We probably won't get into power hammers and anvils and presses and things like that are pretty big ticket items. A lot of these items are things you ask about regularly. Where can I find that? And these are all available from blacksmithing suppliers whose links are down in the video description. The first thing is the leather apron that I wear in most of the videos. This comes from April at Forge Aprons. This is a nice heavy apron, one of her more deluxe versions. But she has lots of different varieties. She's got just the classic apron that goes from the waist down. She has the full apron styles, lots of different options. Again, that's Forge Aprons, and there's a link down in the description. There is a coupon code for that. And when you see a coupon code with these things, it generally means it's an affiliate link, and I receive a little commission if you buy something from those folks. So maybe I get a little bit of beer money out of the deal. Wire brushes are a frequently asked about item. The heavy block brush is a butcher block brush. These are available at just about any of the blacksmithing suppliers. Blacksmith Supply, Pay Tool, Centaur Forge, Blacksmiths Depot. Again, there are links to all those places down in the description. This long bristle, softer brush that gets down into the crevices is a little more specialized. It's actually a casting brush for casting in foundries. And the only two places I'm sure that have this are Blacksmith Supply and Pay Tool. And of course, all this stuff is subject to current availability. If you want hammers and tongs to get started in your blacksmithing journey, all of those same blacksmith suppliers have a variety of hammers, they have a variety of tongs. So Blacksmith Supply, Pay Tool, Centaur Forge, Blacksmiths Depot are all excellent sources for finding good hammers and good tongs that are ready to go. On the other hand, if you're looking for tongs that you can put together yourself and want to start with something that gives you a little bit of a guarantee for success, the quick tongs and rapid tong blanks available from Ken's Custom Iron are an excellent way to go. Ken's also has punches, chisels, power hammers if you really do want one of the big ticket items. So there are lots of things available from Ken's Custom Iron. And again, there are links down in the description. That brings up other pre-cut blanks. Besides the pre-cut tong blanks that Ken sells, they have some other project blanks. Roy and Jessica over at Christ Centered Ironworks have all sorts of project blanks. They also go under the name blacksmithingblanks.com. So either link takes you to the same place. Stony Point Forge is another place I buy a lot of blanks from, particularly these Jingle Bell blanks. These are some that I bought last year. I thought I was going to get these done for Christmas and put them up for sale. Still haven't done them. I don't know if I'll get them done this year or not, but I probably have a dozen of these blanks that really make these a pretty quick, simple project to do if I just get around to doing it. These round nose scrolling pliers, also called electrician's pliers, are available from Blacksmithing Supply and Blacksmith Depot. I think they're the only places that I've ever seen that have these, but they're probably available some other places as well. The silver marking pencil that I like to use is a Markall Silver Streak. It's available at most welding suppliers, or I have a few of these in my Etsy shop. I don't stock a whole lot of them. I've got to mark them up quite a bit. So they're cheaper if you go to your local welding supplier. The hook rule that I use in a lot of videos are something that I make myself. And I'll link to a video where I show how I make these right up here. I have a few of these available in the Etsy shop as well, but I'm probably not going to make any more of these because, again, I've got to mark the price way up, and it's a lot cheaper if you just make it yourself. And of course, who doesn't love getting books for Christmas? Most of the blacksmithing suppliers, Blacksmithing Supply, Blacksmiths Depot, Centaur Forge, Pay Tool, have books for sale, but Artisan Ideas probably has more than anybody else does. And they're the publisher for a lot of these books, so you're going to have a better time finding books there. But I don't think you ever go wrong with buying more books. There's always inspiration in a new book on blacksmithing. The last thing that comes to mind is membership in a blacksmithing organization. If you have a local group, paying the dues for somebody would be a very welcome Christmas gift. And if not, a membership in a national organization like a BANA here in the United States, that's the Artist Blacksmithing Association of North America, would be a great thing to join. And you don't even have to be in the United States to join. They have a couple of different publications that they send out, a lot of online resources. If you're in the United Kingdom, there's the British Artist Blacksmithing Association. They have a lot of similar resources, a very good publication. I actually belong to both of those organizations because I like getting the magazines from both of them. But if you're elsewhere in the world, there's a good chance there's an organization that serves that part of the world as well. I'm just not familiar with it. So those are just some quick ideas for the blacksmith on your Christmas list. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season, a Merry Christmas, and I hope you can find time to get out to your shop, make something, but stay safe, wear your safety glasses. We'll see you for the next video.